guys, this video is all about Profusion and a few guest appearances by some other brands because I don't have certain things for Profusion, you know, like foundation, lashes, mascara, that kind of stuff, you know. Struggling. Can't everybody have it all, you know. But yeah, before we get into this video, you know what to do. Down below, subscribe at the button down below. If not, we ain't friends no more. I guess we can be friends if you don't subscribe, but how you gonna come back? How we gonna be friends if you don't you're not gonna be in this community, in this crew? How you gonna do it? There ain't no doing it if you don't subscribe. So just like, you know, hit that button down below if you want to. No pressure. No pressure. I mean, it takes 2 seconds and it's free, so why not? Just saying. Also, you should like this video, give it a thumbs up, help me reach more people. Share this video if you want. Comment down below what you want to see next. Comment down below what you like of Profusion. If you ever try Profusion, if you just like look at it and just put it back, don't put it back, because I'm not, y'all sleep on Profusion. That's what I'm just gonna say that. Y'all gotta watch the rest of the video to see how I got this look with Profusion. Alright, so let's just get right into the video. One more thing before we get right into the video. I've been really sick with asthma. It hasn't acted up in 17 years, but I've been sick, and yeah, if I sound a little out of breath in this video, like I noticed when I'm editing, I sound very out of breath in my videos. Like I'm always like breathing in for air, and I didn't notice until I'm like, dang, my asthma's back. Like I was editing a video the other night, I was like, dang, I do that a lot. Like I do gasp for air, so I'm on inhalers and stuff now, and yeah, so that's getting taken care of. So I'm having bronchospasms. It's like when your airway closes really like suddenly and opens back up. So you're gonna hear me like do like a sometimes in the video, maybe like that's a bronchospasm. It's when like, you know, I just don't want you to be like, what the heck is she doing? So yeah, that is it. I just wanted to update you guys because I don't really get too personal in here. I'm kind of scared to, but yeah, let's FaceTime Bae since he don't want to, you know, interrupt me for some reason. Let's see if he likes my makeup look. Watch it not answer. No? Oh, you don't want to answer. You want to interrupt every single one of my other videos, but you don't want to answer the phone. We're gonna beef. Keep trying me like that. Better FaceTime me back soon. I'm just kidding. I'm not that type of girlfriend, you guys. I'm not. I ain't crazy. But let's just get right into this video. I'm gonna use those as my transition shade. Actually, no, I'm not, because we can't even do anything because we ain't got a brow or a base on. First, we're gonna go into this brows palette from Profusion, which comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, a beige highlight, a wax, a pencil, and a brow brush. And what I did was I took some of the wax and mixed the shade chocolate and just did my brow. So I'm gonna speed through that right quick so we don't have a long video. For this, I'm just gonna use the Morphe. I haven't used this in so long. It's the Morphe M158 brush. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, I just dip into the wax and then dip into the chocolate powder and then make like a little pomade out of it, because you know I ain't got no brows. And I actually do really like this palette, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't done brows like this in forever. I barely had to clean up with this, and I was like, what in the world? So, and then we're gonna go into this next palette, which is a Pro Conceal and Contour palette. It's one of those big bulky ones, but I really kind of like the packaging, to be honest. I think this is a Crown Oval Concealer brush. It's like used like crazy, but I'm gonna mix Honey and Caramel together out of the concealer palette, which are these 2 shades right here. And I'm going to carve out my brow a little bit and create a base for my eyeshadow. And these concealers are like really, I thought they were gonna be like really waxy, but they're actually really creamy. And you see that pigment, like I was not expecting that when I put that on my eye earlier. Okay, so and then we're gonna go in with our finger and just pat that out. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with our finger. I just went in with my finger and I took this light setting shade and just set my eyelid. Honestly, at first I was like, it looks cakey, but the shadows blended so well over it. And now we can go in with this palette that I was using for my mirror. This is a Smoky Eyes palette, and we're going, this is honestly, I don't even like smoky eyes eyeshadow palettes, but I do like this one. I don't know why, I just love the colors in this one. But we're gonna go in with these two shades right here, which are Top Notch and Heavenly, and make a transition shade. And I'm gonna make it like kind of wing out. You see how I winged it out on this side? It's gonna wing out on this side as well, of course, because we're gonna match, you know. At first I was like, dang, these shadows make a really bad shadow. Like, these shadows don't complement my skin color like at all. They make like, I feel like they make it weird kind of shadow on my eyelids, but once I blended it together with all the other shadows, I was like, it's not that bad. I'm just following my eye socket, really. I'm not following my crease of my eye, I'm following my eye socket with this transition shade. Then we're just gonna go in with this shade right here. It is called Devious, and we're gonna take this Urban Decay Alice Through the Looking Glass eyeshadow brush. Really like the tip, and these are pigmented, so you're gonna have to knock off the excess. And we're just gonna follow the shape of my socket and not my crease. So like where you can actually feel where your bone is, like place the shadow right underneath your socket bone, and that's where you're gonna want to place the shadow. And I'm very light. I'm like barely touching my skin, and it's like so pigmented, to be honest. I don't know if you guys hear that, but it's like raining really bad outside. So it's like someone's like spraying a hose out my window. That same brush, we're going to take this back like this and make like a little cat eye type of thing, and fill it in as well. But make sure you go straight out and not too far up. But if you do, just do whatever shape you want, you know? Just make sure it's like, you know, elongated and cat-like. But we're gonna go in with this palette right here. I think I've used this in a video before. If not, don't kill me. But I'm showing it to you now. It's very pretty. I'm gonna take this shade called Thrash and put it in the outer lid and like 2/3 way at the end inside my lid. And I'm going to spray a brush with some makeup fixing stuff. It's from Top Beauty this time, not Pixie. And then we're gonna dampen the brush, and look how pigmented those get. Like, don't sleep on Profusion now. And try not to go up into the crease too much. This is an eye and cheek palette. It's 18 color eye and cheek makeup palette with a brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Mic Drop, which is this gorgeous color right here. It's like a coppery kind of metallic shade. And we're gonna do the same thing, but put that on the inner corner of the eye. Like, look at that pigment, oh my gosh. And then we're going to go in with that finger and go into Thrash and just blend those two together. And what I used was, I used this, so I can't even say this word, I hate this word, in my nail place. Evelyn, I don't know why you do this to me, because I cannot say this word ever. Celestial, whatever. This color right here, this third color at the end, well, the beginning, upside down is the end. I'm gonna use that on this little Sigma E10 brush. I'm just gonna wet it with the same fixing spray. Just to get it outlined, because we are gonna intensify this a whole lot. But I just need to mark where this line is gonna be. Then we're gonna take the shade at the end, it's called Nightlife, and intensify this outer corner. Really pull out that shadow. And today's lashes, I did cut a little bit off, but today's lashes is sent to me from one of my Instagram friends that I met, and these lashes are A1. Let's just get a close-up of those. Don't mind the little piece. I had to cut them because they weren't, you know, you're too big for my small little pea eyes. But the packaging is great, and here is her information if you want to purchase her lashes. focusing. There we go. But yeah, that's her information. Feel free to screenshot it. I really like these lashes. They are so comfortable. They look huge, but they're fluffy. You can see my lid through them. Like these lashes are A1. I'm just gonna pop these on with some duo brush on lash adhesive, and I will be back to show you the rest of my face. Okie dokie, so I didn't have Profusion foundation, so just went in with Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I will be doing a review on this really soon. I really want to do it to where I can get in depth about it because it is $5.99, but that's not what this video is for. So this concealer palette, we're gonna take light, this color right here, and put it under my eyes because I've been sick. If I sound funny, it's because my asthma is acting like crazy. Honestly scared about this concealer going under my eyes because it is a little thick. It's on the thick side, and this concealer seems to set really quickly, so I'm just gonna go in with this Real Technique sponge that I use for my foundation. Sorry, I was rudely interrupted by my camera shutting off, but try to blend this out with this sponge. I have crappy under eyes, you guys. If you have like hydrated, nice under eyes, you could probably get away with this, but you know, your girl got rusty, dark circles, and all that other stuff. But you do see the difference. You can definitely see the difference. Like it does cover up stuff. Yeah, and this concealer got a little cakey. See how cakey it looks under my eyes? Gosh. So I have used this before. I saw they were sending me this and I about died. These colors are everything and they work so good. They're so velvety. I'll do on this side, I'll do this palette, and then on the other side I'll use the other palette so we can get best of both worlds. So I'll just go ahead and use this little brush because, you know, Profusion. I'm going in with the deep contour and they're pretty pigmented. I really like this color for my contour. Like, it's so bomb, to be honest. Okie dokie, so that's no contour and that is contour. If you get anything that I'm suggesting, please get this palette because I really like it. And it comes with the shimmer highlight, which is kind of white for me, but it's really pretty. It can be used as an inner corner. It's really, really gorgeous. I got a lot. They're the same colors, guys. So if you want concealers that are like high coverage, to be honest, with some color correctors, you know, just get this. It's the same price, I think. If not, it's a couple of bucks more from some extra stuff and some brushes. So we're just gonna go ahead and contour because it's the same colors and I didn't notice that before. So I'm loving everything except for the under eyes. So I do have these two palettes. This is the blush and bronze palette. I've used this before, I think. If not, I'm sorry for giving you false facts. I think I used this before. If not, this is the one that I haven't touched at all. So I'm gonna go into this one, I think. Let me see. Yeah, these are like more pinkies and these are like more like nude. So I'm gonna go into this highlight first. It's the diamond. Actually, one second, you guys, I got one more thing. I totally forgot about these loose powder highlights. I'm not gonna open them because they are kind of messy. But this one is a white one, pretty much. They're loose powders. This one is a copper one for deeper skin tones, and this one is a light yellow. So I think I'm gonna use one of these, but I will swatch some of these other highlights. I haven't even touched this one and it's so freaking gorgeous. That is a pretty color, man. So these are the two highlights from the cheek palette, from the eye and cheek palette. If you can see them right here under my finish tracker. Yeah, they're really pretty and yeah, basically blinding. I didn't show you my nails. Look at my nails. My other nail tech did them. Her name is V and I'll link her down below, but look at these. Oh, they're Galaxy. We're gonna go in with this medium shade for highlights today. Look how messy these are. They could have did something better with this packaging. Profusion, come on. I'm not trying to throw shade, but I can't stand when loose powders do this. That's really pretty. I like that this color. I'm scared because they're loose powder and I feel like they're gonna get intense really quick. This is gorgeous. Pretty. I like this highlight. I just don't like the packaging. The packaging pisses me off like A1. Like, we gonna fight about this Profusion. And then for blush, let's go in with this blush right here. Ooh, I almost dropped it. It's called Lush Blush and it's like a kind of a nudie kind of coral undertone type of thing. It has like a sheen to it. eyes. I'm just gonna go in, I'm gonna be simple and go in with this color called Comeback and smoke out the lower lash line. Make sure you connect it out here too. And the only lip product I have is gonna make it kind of like pow. So I'm just like, whatever, we're going for it. This is the Metal Matte Lip Cream in the shade Metal Cocoa. It's in Metal Cocoa. Ooh, that applicator is weird. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like cake.
Ooh, pigment.
Ooh, these are so metallic. I got a new favorite. Oh my gosh. I love lipstick, guys. And this is like, it's not even overpowering the eyes. The stopper is like, oh, it broke. No! Look, I cracked it. It fell on the ground and it cracked. No! This lip color was so pretty and now it's gonna dry out. I'm gonna seal it. Watch. We just gonna put that back in there. And we gonna fix this. We finna have surgery after this video. So pray for him. Alright? Just pray. Pray for Metal Cocoa. Pray for him. Cause he gonna need it. Cause I don't know how E6000 boy. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it somehow. Cause we finna save that little boy life, because gosh, he is so beautiful. All right, so this is the finished look. I loved everything except for, you know, using that concealer under my eyes, but I feel like it's a personal problem. Your girl got dry under eyes, but yeah, I really like this look. Don't sleep on Profusion. That's all I gotta say. And it's so affordable, and they are found in end caps and Target. I found them in my personal Target, so check Target. If not, I will link their website down below. So don't forget to subscribe at the button down below, because it takes 2 seconds and it is free, and it'll help me reach more people. And also give this video a thumbs up if you want more videos like this one. If you like this video, just let me know and I'll do more like this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.